Starting and growing a YouTube channel sounds great until you realize it's a full-time job that the algorithm doesn't always pay for. You spend weeks scripting, filming, and editing, and still get only 23 views. It's exhausting. But here's the truth. Starting a YouTube channel is not the only way to make money online. There are AI-powered side hustles you can launch today with $0 and expand without being on camera. No filming, no algorithm roulette. In this video, I'll share 10 online businesses you can start from home right now with free AI tools. Even if you have a 9-to-5 job, are busy, or tired of selling your time for money. Think of them like modern-day vending machines. Set them up once, and with the right AI tools, they can keep earning while you sleep. If you're ready to unlock new income streams without starting a YouTube channel, smash that like button, subscribe for more straightforward money-making strategies, and let's dive in. 1. AI-powered freelance writing your copywriting. It's 2025, and you don't have to be a professional writer to get paid for writing anymore. Content is everywhere, from blogs to social media, and businesses are drowning in it. But with free AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini AI, you can write high-quality articles, ad copy, and scripts in minutes instead of hours. Here's the formula. A client sends you a topic. You plug it into your AI tool with a smart prompt. The AI gives you a perfect draft. You polish it, and you're ready to deliver. You can land clients on Upwork and Fiverr and easily charge hundreds for an article. 2. Selling prompt packs. Good prompts are like cheat codes. Did you know people are earning passive income just from selling prompts? Yeah, the same prompts you feed into ChatGPT or Gemini AI. I was blown away when I found out people rake in cash by selling custom prompts. Just like this seller, who made over $1,000 in a short time. You can create prompt packs for marketers, writers, YouTubers, or coaches, and sell them on platforms like PromptBase, Gumroad, or Etsy. Sell just 100 of those packs in a month, and that's an easy $2,000 in your pocket. This is one of the most profitable side hustles I've found. If you're interested in learning how to create and sell your own prompt packs, let me know in the comments below. 3. AI-driven SEO strategist. SEO is a game of strategy, and AI is your ultimate playbook. Every business wants to rank on Google, but they don't know how. You can be the solution by using AI to do keyword research, write optimized blog posts, and even create SEO reports. You can charge hundreds per month for this service, and the AI does most of the heavy lifting. 4. Sell AI art plus merch. It's 2025, and you don't have to be an artist to sell art anymore. Use free AI tools like DALL or Leonardo.ai to generate stunning, unique visuals and let your imagination come to life. Once you have your art, you can upload it to platforms like Redbubble, Printify, or Etsy. Redbubble handles all the printing and shipping, selling your art on posters, stickers, and phone cases. You just sit back and watch the dollars roll in. 5. AI resume and cover letter writer. Job hunting is a pain for a lot of people, and writing the perfect resume to land the job is often the worst part. But you can be the solution provider by writing the perfect role-landing resume and cover letter with just ChatGPT. You can easily charge clients $50 or more for a single resume and then upsell them with cover letters and LinkedIn profile optimization. It's a simple service that solves a huge problem. 6. Digital products with AI. The best businesses don't require you to talk to a client or touch a physical product. You can use ChatGPT to write ebooks, lead magnets, or Notion templates. Let's say you want to create a Notion template for bloggers. You can have ChatGPT outline all the necessary sections, like a content calendar, an ideas tracker, and a growth checklist. Use Canva to design a beautiful cover page and list it on Gumroad or Etsy. Once it's up, it's a passive goldmine, selling for $10 to $99 a pop with zero effort on your part after the initial setup. 7. AI virtual assistant setup. Businesses are drowning in administrative tasks. You can offer to build a custom AI-powered assistant using tools like GPT, Google, and Notion. You set up a system that analyzes a client's incoming emails. If it's a customer service inquiry, the AI can draft a pre-written response. If it's a meeting request, the AI can check their calendar and book a slot. This system saves your clients hours of work every week, and you can charge a one-time setup fee plus a monthly retainer. 8. AI branding and identity. Local businesses need a strong brand to stand out, but their budget often doesn't stretch to a fancy design agency. You can solve their problem and make great money doing it, all with AI. Imagine a new cafe needs a full brand kit. You'll use Midjourney to generate a dozen unique logo concepts. Then you'll have ChatGPT craft compelling taglines and mission statements. Finally, you'll design a set of branded social media templates for them in Canva. You'll package this entire kit and charge anywhere from $250 to $750 per client. You're offering them a professional brand without the agency price tag. 9. AI newsletter for local hustlers. Most AI newsletters are built for tech bros. You can build a niche newsletter specifically for local small business owners. Think of a local caterer who's busy cooking all day. Your newsletter could show them how to use AI to plan menus, write email promotions, or even generate recipes. You'll use a free tool like MailerLite, along with ChatGPT and some Canva magic, to build your audience and monetize with local sponsorships or premium templates. It's a low-cost, big upside business with almost no competition. 10th AI automation consultant. Every business, big or small, is drowning in manual tasks. You become the fixer using free tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Make. You can design systems that save businesses countless hours every single week. Imagine you're working with a real estate agency. You create an automation where every time a new lead comes in from their website, it automatically sends them a personalized email and adds their information to a CRM. This is all about strategy, not code. You're a problem solver, and for this kind of high-level service, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per project, plus monthly retainers. Now here's the real magic. These 10 businesses aren't just individual ideas. They can be stacked into powerful AI income systems. You could combine prompt packs with branding kits, content repurposing with a faceless YouTube channel, an AI newsletter with digital product shops. That's when AI becomes true leverage. It's not just a tool, it's a business multiplier. So drop a comment below and tell me which of these AI businesses would you start first. And if you want me to break down how to build any of these from scratch, comment below with a specific idea. Remember, you don't need capital, you need creativity, and with AI, you've got more than enough. If you learned something or got value from this video, please give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and share the video with someone who might need it. See you in the next video.